All right, it is time for my very last trip on the DC Streetcar. Unfortunately, I am out of town during the actual last run, so this is it for me. It is about 11 in the morning on a Friday, and the tram is completely packed, like every last seat is taken. In this video, I'm just going to record the entire journey from end to end. Normally my videos are pretty commentary heavy, but the thing is I already have a video where I talk about the history of the streetcar, what I think about it closing, and what I think should have been done instead. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll put the link in the description below. Basically, very shortly summarized, the DC Streetcar had the potential to be game-changing for the city and one of the best light rail systems in the entire country. But politicians blocked it from being successful at every single step. From a terrible construction process to the fact that it was never extended beyond a short, unsustainable segment. Now, what should have been done is the streetcar should have been expanded and improved. That never happened, and instead, now it is being shut down. I'm incredibly disappointed with this, and I think transit advocates that are celebrating this do not demand the appropriate amount of accountability from elected leaders. Despite every pundit saying that the streetcar was useless, it still got decent ridership, 1 million riders a year.
Oh yeah, there's traffic. Christopher, right? Good to say what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, I'm not right. Fine. Calm through that. I heard you gonna stop this soon. I heard you gonna stop the train. Really? You hear anything about that?
Now arriving at H Street.
Hey, yo!
Right? He seems to be already lost.
Actually, it's not.
It's very abstract.
I like this one. It's more progress. I like drawing stuff. That's why the first thing I'm buying doing is small.
Did y'all take the panorama survey? How do they even know? We look at it to see how y'all feel. And then they play it. But
Next stop, 5th and H Street.
yeah, here I have a
Now arriving at 5th and H Street.
or Morgan, Lucia breaks you.
All right, it breaks my heart, but that was my very last ride on the streetcar. Notice how not once did a bus pass us, even though apparently every time you ride, buses are always passing you. Maybe not every time. I've already made a video about my thoughts on the closure of the streetcar. This was just me saying goodbye. Yeah. Look at the huge crowd that just came out of there. Really glad they're shutting it down. That was sarcastic, of course. RIP DC Streetcar. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.